Right, here's another quick review, just a very quick look at the HiLetgo WEMOS D1 Lite. It's similar to the ESP8266 D1 form boards, except it doesn't use the 8266, it uses the 8285, which has got 1 meg of flash built in, so there's no extra flash chip on these. So I got two of them. They're from Amazon in the UK. A lot more expensive than buying them from China, but next day delivery. Arrived individual static bags. Pretty standard stuff. Now, something that did bother me was the quality of the soldering on the image that they had on Amazon. So I'll put that in now. So you can see a solder bridge and look like rather dodgy soldering on the USB chip. So let's have a close up look at this. Looks pretty good. Right, the D1 Lite here has a reset button, but there isn't a flash button. A lot of the other devices have a separate button for putting the chip into flash mode, but these don't, which is why I had to make this. I'll also use this to hold it all together while I solder the headers. Then we'll try putting some code on, see if we can get it online and flashing LEDs or something. So sorry about the noise in the background, I've got other things running in the apartment. It's taken me a while to get around to doing the second part of this video, not because of problems with the D1 Mini, but because I've had all sorts of other things to do, like packing up, moving house, that sort of thing. I haven't moved yet, so this is probably one of the last videos that I make living in Bradford. So I've taken the D1, put the headers on, stuck it in a little breadboard here, and I previously modified an LED sign. I've got a multiplexer here, which I'm just using as a decoder at the moment because I didn't have a decoder handy, so 3 to 8 decoder. There's MOSFETs, and they're doing the road driving for the LED display, and then data is shifted into shift registers on this side. So I've got my clock and data, they're going out just as a serial stream, and then the red wires, they are the multiplexing signals, and then just a ground here, and on the other end of this USB lead is the standard Poundland power bank. Off to the side I've got a bench power supply. The code I've put on here, it is exactly the same as I do with the 8266. I've not changed anything, so it's probably set up for 512k of memory rather than 1 meg, but flashed it, I got data on the serial port, so I've plugged it in and it appears to be working. Just turn these lights out. Should be able to see we have text on here. Yes. back end of an IP address there, port number that it's connected to. Unfortunately this LED display is huge, so what I'm going to have to do is shift the bench power supply onto the floor and use a different camera and try and get a view of the whole thing.